Come.
Thank you, Mama.
What kept you so long at the market?
Mama, the bike developed small fault though. But Nwokoye helped me. Helped me fix it.
How many times have I told you to leave your father's old bike alone? Instead you bully to one of these days you're going to hurt yourself and it might be a very fatal injury. It is very risky. Not a motorcycle.
Oh, Mama, it's okay. I've heard you.
What of Papa? Papa no kwao. He just, he's inside with Chioma. He just finished taking his medication. Bikobia, I need your help. Mama! Ogini! Mama, Papa! Hi! Papa! Papa! Hey! Hey, Mama! Don't worry. Papa, Ogini.
Mama, his breathing is so bad. What do we do?
Now, breathe in deeply. Breathe in deeply.
Mama. This one is not breathe deeply, Mama.
No.
Let's take him to the hospital room. I don't understand this breathing.
Now, motorcycle.
Let's manage the motorbike, Mama, because there's no time to waste.
But don't worry, you'll be fine.
You'll be fine. Gently, lift him gently. Doctor, please, what is the situation?
The situation is under control. I advise you all to calm your nerves. It's unfortunate that his health was not properly given medical care in the past for a diabetic and hypertensive patient like him. And he has really affected his present health condition. Well, however, we will do our best.
Don't let him die.
Like I said, we are doing our best. Don't just be too hard on yourselves. Excuse me.
How is he? I see him now, still lying there.
Njoku, my brother.
The situation is not getting any better.
What are you saying?
The doctor said because we did not treat him in the past, that it has compounded his situation now. You know he's diabetic and hypertensive. It was the outrageous hospital bills that we couldn't pay now. We'll go be fine.
Not to worry, not to worry. Let's commit all his situation over to God. Because I'm sure at the end he will get better. Njoku, you'll get better. When you go,
Asanda.
One more.
Thank God you are here. My wife, my children. I want to thank every one of you for your individual effort to see that I'm getting better. Since this illness started, I prayed that God will reward you for me. Since it's too late for me now, I beg every one of you to start spending money unnecessarily for this very hospital bill. It is obvious that this my condition won't even get better.
Papa, you will get better, Bikono. You will get better.
I'm often wish for that. But wishes is not justice. I'm delighted and happy that all of you are here this present. Asanda, remember, you are the next elder in the family, and I'm gone. Remember, don't let the light of love and peace unity. To die for your family and mine. With that, my spirit will rest.
No!
Papa, stop saying that. Stop saying it.
My wife. Lovely. Respect my brother and treat my brother with his family like yours. Don't let anybody deceive you. I remember our son here remains your husband. Now, even when I'm no more, love everybody with Rebecca and Chama.
Papa, please stop sounding like this. Stop sounding like this. Nothing will happen to you. Nothing. Oh.
I love your spirit, my daughter. You remind me myself. I pray that God will give you a deserving husband and a Chama, your sister. I love you all. I even love you when as I'm going to rest and the wisdom of our Creator.
Come for me, Mama, you will not die in Jesus' name. You will not die. You will live to declare the goodness of the Lord in this land of the living. Oh God, let your healing power locate my father in the name of Jesus. Amen. Papa, you will not die. Father, in the name of Jesus. Let your life locate my father in the name of Jesus. He will not die. Papa, you will not die. You will live to declare the goodness of
Hey! Come on, no!
Okay.
Hey!
It's okay.
Mama Rebecca.
Like this, I will full and cry. Stop it. You will even cry again. It's okay.
It's okay. Hey! Share well to Tuchie.
Mama is okay. Mama.
Hey!
Mama is okay. Like this.
Where the most to go?
Like this. It's okay. It happen like this.
It's okay.
Man cry in public.
It's okay. Just take hand. It's okay, please. It's okay, just take hand. Hey, Jesus.
I don't want to cry.
Oh,
fine.
Oh, no, no.
Why?
Rebecca, ma'am. Oh, no,
Papa.
Oh.
It's okay. Papa. Papa. You are the head of the family. You console person now. In the program, it is your name. They will write like Chief Mona. Console person.
Hey! On a Fukano! On a Fukano! Eddie Begomo! On the city, the Begomo!
Just take hands, sir.
Hey! Hey! Oh!
Mama, don't cry. Mama, don't cry.
Hey! Mama!
It's okay. It's okay. Hey!
Mama, please. No, I'm a man. I'm controlling myself. Don't cry again. Don't cry again. Please. Don't cry again. Chai! Papa. Papa, you consult person. How? Hey! On a fufu. Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
It's all right. It's okay.
Majidofo.
Who am I seeing? Kenneth, is this you?
Yeah, it's me. It's me. How are you?
Fine.
Jidofo, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
When did you return from the city?
I'm just coming into town now. Yes, I'm just driving to the village. We'll have a meeting at the Great Palace. Yes, so that's where I'm rushing to. I heard what happened to your husband. I heard he lost his spinal cord.
He's getting better.
It's okay. Is that why you're this worried?
As you can see, I've been going up and down to look for the money to meet up with the bill the hospital we were demanding for my husband's treatment. Now look at my son. They have driven him out of the school because I can't afford the school fees. I don't know what to do. Honestly, I am tired of this world.
No, Mama Jidofo. It has not gotten to that. No matter how tragic life is to you, you don't have to start thinking this way. You don't have to start. No. Your life is too precious, okay? So how much is the school fees?
It's 48,000 naira.
48,000 naira. Okay. Yeah. This is 50,000 naira. Use it for his school fees.
Thank you so much.
Pay his school fees. Keep the change. Once I finish the meeting at the Grace Palace, I'll come straight to the house. So I'll see you and your husband. They will now talk about the hospital bill. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My God will reward you. He will reward you for all your kindness to all the helpless and widows in this community. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. Hey!
I wonder what is holding Kenneth. Huh?
But no, I think he told you that he'll be coming late.
Kenneth always on business. Business.
He will soon be here.
Oh, here you
go.
Elders of Council, I greet you. I apologize for my lateness. It was due to my
business as usual. Sit down.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. My honorable cabinet and I have resolved to forgiving you even before you arrived, due to your undisputable past punctualities. As you can see, some of the elders have already gone because the meeting was coming to an end. Without any further delay, we shall brief you on the agenda at hand. Oh no, over to you.
Igwe, the agenda today is fundraising for our new town hall and the installation of our power transformer. That is what we have at hand now.
So how much are we looking at for both projects?
It's about 25 million naira.
About 25 million. Okay then. I will single-handedly handle both projects. Yes, all I need is your proposal immediately after your cabinet meeting.
Kunaka. Watching Emere 1. Omeka Agu 1.
My king, I greet you.
You have incessantly continued to prove to us that you are truly an illustrious son of this community. Through your many stunning, benevolent demonstrations. If we have 2 people like you in this community, all our problems are almost solved. The good Lord will continue to bless you abundantly. Come here, my son. May you remain blessed. May your pocket remain forever full. May you get whatever you're giving out to this community abundantly for all your benevolence. May your enemies never see you. May you always return safe wherever you go to. Thank you very much.
Nani, no.
No.
How is Mama Emeka?
Mama Emeka just left to her maternal home this morning for an emergency.
She didn't even tell me she was traveling. But I hope all is well.
No, it's well. There's nothing to worry about. What of Rebecca and Chioma?
They are both out, though. Rebecca went to see her friend Oluchi.
Is that so?
Chioma is not back from school yet.
Okay. Okay. There's something very important I would like to discuss with you. But after your cooking. After cooking.
Okay.
When I'm done.
Okay, when I'm done with the cooking, I should come to the house?
Yes.
Oh, nine. Dalu.
I'm sure it will be sweet. Okay.
Oh, nine.
Let me wait for you. It's been 1 month now since your late husband, my brother, departed. And I've seen how lonely you have been managing your life. I want to say I am out to protect you. For I don't want a situation where the young men of this town come and exploit and abuse the situation. So I have sworn to be out to protect you. In fact, let me say it this way. I want to continue from where my late brother Nwokoye stopped.
Nani, what do you mean continue from where your brother stopped? How?
In every aspect. In all aspects. At least you agree with me that now we have very cold nights. It's always very cold in the night.
Sondo, Sophia, what? Do you even listen to yourself? Oh my God, your brother will be disappointed in you wherever he is. Wait. It's barely 1 month since your brother died. And you want to start having an affair with the wife. Hey, Nani, you should be ashamed of yourself for thinking of such an abominable act.
What is abominable in this? That I have decided to take care of you, not to allow you to suffer, to form a shadow against the cold weather? Didn't you even hear him on his sick bed when he said it? That, brother, you should take care of my family, my wife. Did you hear that?
Take care of my family, take care of my wife. Does that mean sleeping with a wife?
He didn't pronounce it.
How?
But it was implied.
You're evil.
See, let me tell you this. According to tradition, I am mandated to take care of you, whether you like it or not. Now my brother is no more. Yes. Whether you like, your obstinacy, your stubbornness will not count.
Sondo, look at me. And look at me very well. I am not one of those women you can intimidate with that tradition. It will not work. Mama, walk with me.
Is it the way you're putting it? Ha! Isn't it? Go on, Peppa.
Nani, since you have nothing else that is sensible to talk about, I am out of your house.
We are not finished. Come back, Esinde. Esinde, come back. Hey! Whether you like it or not, Esinde, I must get to the end. I must.
What is it? Chelo, why are you coming from Osondo's house?
It's all right, I'm okay.
Mama, it's not true. Have you forgotten that I know you very well? And I know when you're hiding something from me. Wham.
Yeah, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Osondo, he proposed to me. Osondo wants to have an affair with me.
Chinekeme, is he mad? Alonapia. What are you doing for mom? Mama, I'm going to confront him now. Mama, leave me, let me handle him. Alonapia.
Rebecca, Biko, just calm down. Biko. Echena, I handled him very well. And I gave it to him. I gave it to him hot. He can never repeat that nonsense again.
Let him not even try that thing again. He should not even say that rubbish again. Oh, mommy is talking here today. I would have finished him with my tongue. That's it. He's a maguyata. I got free. See, Mama, you have just saved him. You are saving because I would have used this my mouth to kill him today. I mean, that's a man who have been committed to her. Mama,
you're just as hot-tempered as your father. Because just calm down. It's not every violence that you handle like this, so let us just allow peace to reign.
Mama, it's because we're always keeping quiet. That's why he thinks we are scared of him. Mama, just leave me now. Can't handle tears small. At least he will know that I want somebody that can walk here. Is he mad?
Ili no fu. Ili di no fu. Biakaiba. Leave that evil man.
My dear, you can't believe it. What? Guess who I saw yesterday? I can't guess. Guess! You know I can't guess. I saw Ogechi. Really? He's back. Oh my god. Okay, so what next? Just play cool. I'll do the talking. All right. Hey. Are you sure?
Oh, hi.
Welcome, big brother.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. It's just that I'm bored without you.
Yeah, I know, but soon as school is going to resume and you'll be going back to school and you have all those company that you want, okay?
You know it can never be compared with the moment with you, and you know it. Me, my friend, Tonya. Tonya was my secondary school friend. Tonya, my brother, Kenneth.
Oh, how come I've not heard of you before?
You did?
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Actually, she's an introvert. She doesn't socialize much. But this time, I had to drag her out.
Oh my god. Please don't mind her. Don't mind her.
Yeah, I know, but you know you need to come out. You need to come out. You're free to come here whenever you want to come. You know your friend, my kid sister here, she's the madam of this house now. So whatever you need, she'll get for you, right? I hope she has a... Oh, she's already offered something. Well, that's good. Let me just go up there and, change up. I'll see you guys in a jiffy, yeah? Okay. Take good care of you, yeah?
Okay.
All right.
You can't say that again.
Yes. Back to what I was telling you. I saw Ogechi.
Are you serious?
My face can't believe it.
How is she?
Ogechi is now a mother of 3. 3? Yes. I'm serious. Ha! If you see Ogechi now, she is a thick madam. She even walk around with a gas. She got married to a prince. My bad. Anyway, I don't like this. Change it. Your brother is rich also.
Tonya is a good girl. She is well behaved. She comes from a good and a humble family. Just give her a try. I'm sure she will make a good wife for you.
Lillian, I am not interested in all those relationships for now. I don't want another nightmare. See, I have peace now.
But you can't stay a single man forever.
I am happy with myself and I love this happiness. Okay? I don't want all these troubles. I don't. Please, I'll get a wife, but not now. All I need is time. I need some time.
Some time? How much time do you think you need? Or do you think you're getting any younger? Listen, brother. God has lifted you from grass to grace. You are a handsome and a successful young man. The dream of every young woman. But these blessings can never be complete without a woman in your life. It's high time you make up your mind on a woman and settle down.
Lillian, certainly I will get a wife. I will. But not all these whores that parade themselves as women. No! You and I know what I have gone through with relationships in the past. And I don't want those things to come back. I don't want all those troubles. I will definitely get a wife myself. Yes, but I need the right woman to get married to. All I need is time. Please.
How would you know when you keep on avoiding them like leprosy?
I know you want me to get married. You understand? Yes. And I will get you a bride. Okay? I know you want someone that you'll be calling auntie and the rest of things. I'll definitely get you a bride. Alright?
I pray so.
Pray and hope. Get me something to drink.
Excuse.
Dada. Alpha. Michael Jaja. No. That was... no, I'm still on it. No.
Bros, well done. Buy am.
Bros, buy.
Very sweet. 100 naira. And a 6.
Buy.
So let me check. Let me take it.
Check your 100 naira. 100 naira, very okay.
I'll buy this one for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Thank you.
want mango.
Check mango.
Wait, we pounded it today. No? Did she say it's smelling? Mama, leave me, let me go and beat her.
How much is this your account? 50 naira. 50 naira. This one at 50 naira. It's not 30 naira. Please now.
No, next time.
I put you. Madam, cost more join now.
I come next time. Thank you.
Omi fenya chedechio. Omi fenya chedechio. Na madam mari fechigabo. No wa echeteka. Omi fenya lotechio. Omi fenya lotechio. Na madam mari fechigabo. No wa echeteka. Ewo echidime. Ewo echidime. Yo madam mari fechigabo. No wa echeteka.
Nani, good afternoon.
What is it? How can I help you?
There's something I want to discuss.
I'm listening.
Can we go into the house?
See, whatever you want to say it now. I just came to pick something. I'm going back to my supply business. Eh? Say it, hurry up!
Nani, I just want to ask you for financial help. You know, Chema, my daughter, she's been stopped from going to school because I've not been able to pay her school fees. You know Agoba now, Agoba, that man that gave us 18,000 when your brother was in hospital, he lent us 18,000. He's back here asking for his money. Nah, we can barely feed. It's been so difficult. It's so hard on us, Biko. Can you help us? Even if it's to lend us small money, Biko.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Then I'm going.
Going, Kwa.
Oh, you want me to come?
Hi.
Huh? You were supposed to come here and going. What kind of person are you in the first place? Look at you. After my brother's death, you were there. You're supposed to be my birthright. But instead you went about the whole town sharing it to non-entities. Men of no consequence. Eh? Go to them, let them help you.
How can you say that? Even before your brother died, I was faithful to him. Even unto death now, I'm still faithful to him. How can you say such a thing?
Ah, then go to his grave and beg his corpse for financial help. Huh? I made a proposal to you several times. You refused. Huh? Look at the children you're talking about, Rebecca and Choma. Their school fees. What is it? Even the 18,000 naira. What is there? Come on, 18,000 naira. Let me show you. 30,000 naira I made now from only 3 supplies. 3 supplies. I can give you this money and even more to take care of yourself. But what is happening? You rejected me. Let me tell you. He who walks, eats. Onyelua Uri. The ball is now in your court. Whenever you're ready for me, you let me know.
Nani, is that what you can say to your late brother's widow?
What do you expect me to say? Eh? Eh?
My God will judge you, but he will surely see us through.
Nara nwanya jadu ihe ruru ya maka na ọmụrụ nwoke ọsọndụ n'idi
n'ebe nwanyị ya bụ n'ukwu
ogbenye anụ ọnụ bịa
kama ọ ga-ebuli ebunye nwanne di ya nwụrụ anwụ
mana ịmara ife chigabụ n'ụwa echeteka ewo echidime ewo echidime adamara ife chigabụ.
Give me 8 spanner.
Come now, let's go and talk.
Rebecca, give me a minute.
Oh,
just a minute.
A minute, since a minute. A minute, all that. Nwokoye, come now. Let's talk. See, I won't waste your time. Just let's talk and you come and continue what you are doing.
Jacob, tight up this thing, yeah? You now will come and carry it. Okay. Keep all these things inside, yeah? I'm coming right now. Okay, sir.
See, that bike is too old. As you can see, it's in a terrible condition. I'm going to give you 18,000 naira just because of you.
A second. 18,000 naira. How can you price that bike 18,000 naira? Nah, you won't go. Cool down now. See, that bike you are pricing 18,000 naira. My late father bought it 70,000. 70,000. You better equate 18.
That was in the past. The price has gone so low now as a result of ban on motorbikes by state government. See, Rebecca, I'm just trying to help you because of you.
Okay. Just tell me now. How much do you want to price last? Now, when this thing on well, man. Let's do that bike. Look and well. See, you're my friend though. And a friend in need is a friend indeed. What is one?
Okay. I'm going to give you 24,000 naira. I'm not even in need of it. I'm trying to enter into a commercial transport by keke. It's because of you I'm doing all this.
Okay, see. No long talk again. Just give me 29,000. 29,000 is okay. See, Nwokoye, maybe I told you all the problems we're having at home. That's why we need that money. Nah, shake body now. Okay.
I'm going to give you 29,000 naira. But bear it in mind, 24,000 naira is for the bike. The 5,000 naira is for loan. You're going to give me back when you have it.
Hey! One day. It's okay. What I go? Chai! Nwokoye, my man! You my man, oh, that one. See, let me tell you something. You see, I really appreciate everything you've been doing for me in this village, Joe.
At least it's going to watch you from all these bike accidents.
Nah, it's the bike accidents. I know that time I cried.
Rebecca, Mwakamba, Irina Funga, Agumba, Ofunga, Kamwiri, Mwana, Wamba, Kawoke, Ie Woke, Neme, Nodeme, Akarisia, Rebecca, Mwakamba,
Mama, you won't believe it! Mama, he gave me 29,000 naira. 20 guinea. He paid 29,000 for the bike. 29,000.
Hey, Mama. Jesus, thank you, sir. Thank you, my father.
So now, Mama, we will now give Agoba his 18,000. Then the remaining 11,000. We will start paying instrumentally now for Chioma's school. At least so she can start.
I like the way you have shared it. Odimgbe. Thank you so much. It's only God that will reward you.
Mama, it's okay now. Don't you know I should be the one thanking you?
No, dear
Nazi. For your love and tender care towards your daughters. See, Mama, I know it is every mother's dream to have a male child. But God knows best. But don't worry, I will make sure you don't feel like you don't have a son. Oh.
I'm surprised you see. Oh, Yelenia, always talking like your father.
Mama.
With so much conviction and confidence. Now, let me tell you something. You are 10 men in one. Hey!
Hey!
Yes, now. Thank you so much.
Let me go and cook before Choma comes back from her
God, oh, I thank you. I praise your name. I thank you. I can name Namo. I can name you. Hey, Odisabinigwe.
What are you doing here? Abogidi, what are you doing on our farmland?
Did I hear you say your farmland?
My friend Mechipono, yes, you heard her say farmland. And don't pretend that you're deaf because you heard her. And you know that this is our farmland.
I don't understand what this intrusion is all about.
Intrusion?
Yes, intrusion. You better go to your husband's brother or son and sort out your differences. What concerns me?
He gave me here on lease to farm on just for a season. And I paid him well.
He gave you my farmland on lease. In Alukwan, everybody in this village knows that this farmland belongs to my family. And it is the only farmland that we can eat from.
Except me, madam. I don't know what you're saying. I don't understand. You better go to him and sort out your...
My friend, close that your stinking mouth, also. Look at you. So you're not trying to farm that you don't know this is our farmland. You don't understand, up here. You don't understand. Let me tell you something. You are an evil man. Evil! So I know you and Uncle Osando planned it. Okay, now go off. That is what you are.
You call me evil man?
Cut her where you dare.
One is your daughter. One her. I'm respecting you. One have to close her mouth.
What do you mean? Mama, just leave me. You are looking for who to kill you. But let me tell you something. If I told me to God who made me, I will slap you here and all this your white beard will turn to black. I turn black.
Calm down.
Mama,
you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
You cannot do anything.
Why are you people marching into my compound angry like reference soldiers? Is there anything the matter?
Let me ask you a simple question. Are you the one that leased our farm at Abomiri to Abogidi to farm for the season?
Yes, I did. Is there any problem with that?
You leased my late husband's farm to your friends to farm on?
Thank God he said my husband. Because if he had anything against it, he would have told me from the dead.
Meaning what? Meaning what? Are we not his family? Are we not his children?
Oh boy, no, Jam. Look at this masquerade of Adama from Mongo. Look at them. Point of corruption. As women, you don't have any business diving into land matters. What two of you should be doing should be staying in your husband's places to bear children. You have no business on this matter, let me tell you. Oh, I don't even have anything to tell you because you're a woman. I can't discuss land matters with you.
Some people are wicked. You're a very, very wicked man. The only thing that my husband left for his family to farm on and make ends meet, make him want to lease it out. How can you be so wicked? That is the only inheritance that my family got from my husband.
Let me tell you, as far as your husband is dead, every property of his now belongs to me since he left no male issue behind. Let me repeat, land matters are meant for only men to discuss, not women. You understand? So let me to rest. I came to rest. Oh?
You are a devil!
Calm down, please. God will judge him. Is he not your wicked husband? He's such a wicked man. What did he do? You know that's our land. That's our Bomili land. Can you imagine he leaves it to Abogidi? For the whole season, how does he expect us to survive? The only land left for my husband for us to feed from. Maybe you should talk to him.
Because just warn him, because I will deal with him.
I will talk to him. Calm down, Rebecca. It's your man.
Mama, let's go because that I
don't worry. It's your man.
What is it? What is it?
It's unfair now. How could you lease out that land when you knew they only depend on the farm produce that is being harvested from the land after farming season for their livelihood? Oh yeah, tell me, How do you want them to survive? Better refund Abogidi's money and return that land to them.
Have you finished? Mama, have you finished? Mary Magdalene, have you finished? You return to the market instead of looking for my food, you're talking about land. Never you disturb my peace of mind by talking about land. Do you understand? Now go and get me my food. Go and get the food I will eat.
Nine.
Stop talking and go and get me my food. Hey! What is this boy still doing in the house? Emeka! What are you doing in this? Papa? Didn't I tell you you will be going to the farm today? Didn't I tell you?
Me?
Farm? Yes?
Papa, as I busy, I know they move. As you can see, I'm not dressed in farm clothes. Please, I have very serious, important business engagement to catch up. As you can
Shut up your mouth if you talk about business here. What business do you know except smoking Indian hemp and then womanizing? Before I count one, you've gone to that house to change into your farming dress.
Papa, it looks like you want to put me on repeat mode. I am not this. Please, I'm begging you. I don't want to. I say I'm not to do the farm thing. Now by force. Look at all these jobless youths around here. Go! Your mates are hiring people instead of to disturb their sons. Go hire them. Let them be laborers inside the farm. Look at me. Come on, man. I'm a big boy.
Big boy indeed. Boy Alinko. Baba Sue. It is your men who are hustling, making sure that there's food on the table of their parents, always. But what do? You dress up every morning, cloth upon cloth, the one from Italy, the one from Jamaica, to wag your tail and then demonstrate for women to be attracted. Useless boy.
Papa, me useless.
Useless boy.
Well, Papa, if I heard you very well, you said that you used to be hustling that time to put food on the table. Were you this young when you started hustling?
I was very hard working when I was like you.
Hard working.
I built houses everywhere.
Papa, this house? Yes. This ancestral house. Papa, do you know the generational line? From the beginning, you can trace this house. Is it not?
Where's your home?
Where's your home? This is my father's house.
Which father's house?
My own father's house. You go to your own father's house. Papa, see this house. It's not your house. You inherited it since the days of Lord Lugard.
Go and make your investigation. I was very hard working when I was like you.
Please. Useless boy. That is the second time you have said.
Yes.
Lovely and nice. If I am a useless boy, Papa, you're implicating yourself. How? I can explain. Lovely and nice. Now, if I am useless, then you are useless. Papa, a dog cannot give birth to a cat. Look at yourself. What you're telling me now is that the implication is that you have never seen a mirror in your life. Papa, look at yourself. Me and you, are we not babbing punk? This punk is not natural.
Do you go and dress for farm work or do I cut you into pieces?
I'm babbing junior punk, your own senior punk. This is natural. Okay. Like father, like son. That is what. See your nose. Have you seen your face? Are we not?
See, Emeka, do you know I have been querying your mother where she got your pregnancy?
How?
Because your character traits are conflicting with mine. Yes, I've got nothing to do with you biologically.
Papa, you're committing murder.
I'm serious. Your father is not joking. Your father never jokes with you. Papa, are you going to the house to do it or not? These blacks will be cut into pieces now.
Papa, if you cut me with cutlass, I will see. You for people like you know that even your spirit, you like befitting burial. I will do shallow grave for you and put you.
You're challenging me. You're challenging me.
Papa,
you're challenging me.
Papa,
these blacks are going on. These blacks are going. Why they are useless is that they are meant for women and I want to stop it again. These places are going now.
Okay, no problem.
These places are going.
No problem, no problem. Let's go.
Are you going to the farm?
I will go.
Huh?
I will go now. Let's
see me. Anyama, I'm asking you, from where did my wife get this boy? If you knew you impregnated my wife to get me this character, come now and apologize and I can forgive you. Come and I will forgive you, but I will give you a maker to own.
I don't die. Why my boxers they do like that? Oh yeah, put it. Ow! No down there.
May a mother cut the tongue you used to call me Papa. Huh? So, this is the business appointment? Because of this, you refuse to go to town with me?
I'm sorry, Nai.
Hey, shut up your mouth. Shut up your... Come on here. Come on here.
Sorry, Nai.
Take a look at you.
Sorry, Nai.
A girl as big as you are.
Sorry, Nai.
You didn't request him to take you to a bedroom where you will feel comfortable. Look at where you have come to mess yourself up. Open place, open body, open breast, open everything. Eh? I will tell your father.
Sorry, Nai, don't tell my father.
Shut up your mouth, I will tell them. Get out from here. Disgrace to my family. You have run my name aground. But I promise you, it won't be good for you. Never will it be good for you, Emeka. Eh? Hey! Oh boy, I know them. Oh boy, I know them.
I nearly reached the door. Oh! Near success experience.
Chitechio na mada mari fechigabo no wa echeteka omi fenya lotechio na mada mari fechigabo no wa echeteka ewo echidime yo mada mari fechigabo no wa echeteka ewo echidime Chigabo no wa echeteka ewo echidime ana marife chigabo no wa echeteka osondu echidime ana marife chigabo no wa echeteka.
girls are enjoying. Well, you had better hurry up. We need to prepare the palm fruits for the market. Okay? Yeah, no, so we go. Have happened?
Mama, maybe we should ask Uncle or something.
Onye?
Hey now.
Let me go and ask him. My daughters and I harvested some palm fruits from Amory plantation. We kept it in front of our house, and now we are out to carry them to the market to sell. We cannot find them. So I decided to come and ask you if you're the one that carried it, because I know that your wife is not yet back from the market.
Why didn't you inform me? Or has the land in Amory become yours now? Your personal property?
In case you've forgotten, there's an agreement between your family and I pertaining to the harvesting of that palm fruit plantation. And this season, my own family is supposed to harvest that plantation.
Whatever understanding you're talking about now belongs to the past. Especially now that my brother Njoko is no more. Let me tell you, any property belonging to this family belongs to me now, because I am the only male surviving issue. Let me tell you, if you want property, go and bring back my brother. Let him impregnate you so you have a male child. That's the only condition. Go break the water.
You know what, Osundre?
Also, why?
I am not going to drag those palm fruits with you.
But if you like,
you can keep them. Manna, the God I serve, the God I worship will judge you.
Only you worship God.
My God will judge you. Watch alone.
The only worshiper in Nazareth. Look at her. Look at her. If I don't get to that upu, hey, Mama, see, the only power that can prevent me from getting to that is the deity of the land. So I don't see why you get what you have done. And I want to get my Mona, I don't see get my I don't see get no choose. Oh boy, I know.
Never, Mama. Never. I will not allow Uncle Osundre to treat us badly and maltreat us on our own father's property. Mama, if Lisa were, he must bring it back. In fact, all those palm fruits, he will bring them back. Or he will draw a battle line that will start now. Yes, so you Mama. See that thing he wants, Mama? I will give it to him. Enough is enough. What is it, Seth? Every day, oh, bro, for a Ghana,
calm down, please. Rebecca, sit down. I think in Olani. Like your father used to say, vengeance is for the Lord. Your uncle Osundre can decide to convert all your father's property, including this house. I will not drag it with him. Not because I am weak, nor feeble, but because there's certain things you don't bother to fight over in this life. And one of them is land. The silence of a dog does not mean that the dog is weak. Your uncle is very wicked. And he can do unimaginable things. The most important thing for me now in this my life are two of you. And I don't want anything to happen to any of you. Because if anything happens to you, I am finished. So all I'm asking you here now is just to calm down. And let us leave this battle for God to fight at his own time.
Mama, while we're waiting for God to judge it, let us teach him a small lesson. Just a small lesson so that he will stop maltreating us because we are women. Mama, he's not listening because he thinks we are scared of him. Let us show him just small. Your blood is always pumping. Eh? Please, just calm down. Eh? Biko, let us just leave it this way. Please. You know how we suffered to get those palm fruits, Mama?
I was there with you now. We did it together.
That is okay. Oh. Listen to what Mama is saying. Yeah? It's okay.
It's a put and go. We're more than Son, have you come to mock me?
No, not at all. Rather, I've come to say sorry to you and your daughter for all I've done in the past. It's just that all the affections I tried to show you, I didn't get any positive response. They make me happy, but I've forgotten all that. You know, right now I've come to make amends. I am ready to pay for the school fees of your daughters. In fact, any amount of money you want, I'll give you. All the parcels of land I took, I will return them, provided you say yes to me. Y-E-S, yes. Very simple. See, I am now ready.
Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. Else I will scream. I will scream.
What I want to tell you is that no man can take care of you the way I have planned. In fact, the kind of heaven I'm building for you has water bed on top, then the sea bed, seaweed.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I was just trying to explain to her.
You were just trying to get it. You were trying to get it.
Hey, please, don't get machete. Don't get machete. I'll go.
Better for you, because next time I see you here disturbing my mother, I'll be cut off that your man.
Hey! Please, leave my manhood intact. I won't come again. I will not try it again.
Get out now that it's still intact. That was too harsh. Mama, he deserves it. It suits him. He's a useless man. And next time I see him here, he will not like what I will do to him.
The baby is handsome as his father.
How do you know your king is handsome?
You're indeed handsome, my king.
Well, thank you for the cow and the money you brought to the family to welcome the new baby, the Prince of Umuala.
Don't mention, Your Highness. Don't mention.
You know you have made me and the entire kingdom of Umuala proud by your philanthropy. Your charity work is a landmark that is unprecedented and can never be wiped out. Once again, I want to thank you for the scholarship that you offered some privileged Umuala youths. It's a gesture that can never be forgotten.
You know one thing, Your Highness. When I lost my both parents, there was no one to assist me financially. So I had to go in to do, several odd jobs. I had to hawk. I had to farm in other people's farmland just to raise money for the upkeeps of myself and that of my younger sister. As God may help it, a friend of mine sponsored me abroad, where I made money and became who I am today. So, I know the pains. I know the pains of poverty. I know the pains of being helpless financially. So, Your Highness, I have sworn to put all my resources to bring smiles on the faces of less privileged people. And I thank God that today I'm able to do that.
You're a true son of the soil. You are truly blessed. But except for one thing. You must settle down and get a wife. It amuses me that at your age and status in life, you're still single. Get a wife.
Of course I will. I will, Your Highness. I will get a wife. But, Your Highness, you understand. You understand it is very difficult to find a real woman today. Especially when you're young and financially successful. I mean, it's all confusing.
I understand. I understand. But you must try harder. If you have to, find. And most especially, commit everything into God's hands. Okay? And if you do find that woman that you love, don't hesitate to let me know. Because I personally will stand in for you as a father all through your marriage process.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, I thank you for your moral support and fatherly love towards me. I appreciate everything you've been doing for me. Thank you, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Mekus my man. Mekus. Ogoranda. Ava, no bad. My man. What brings us down here? You get rich. Waiting. They're popsy day. Which size you want? Jumbo? Jumbo size. Jumbo size. My man. My God. Chop knuckle.
Rebecca Wakamwa, Irina Fun Agumwa, Ofumwa Kamwiri, Wana Wamba Kawoke, Iye Woke Neme, no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca Wakamwa, Irina Fun Agumwa, Ofumwa Kamwiri, Wana Wamba Kawoke, Iye Woke Neme, no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca Onike, Rube, it is too much. much, Rebecca, guy woman. Uchegidia well, Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman. Uchegidia well.
Mama, you have tried for the day. Start going home, please. I don't even know why you came to do this tedious job with me. Eh? You don't know that you're not young and vibrant for this kind of job. It's too much for you now. Mama, see, come and go. Oh? The money they will pay me for this job will be enough to sustain us for a while. You know?
Oh, Anugo, I've heard you. But I can't just go home, sit down and idle away. It's very boring. At least here, one will be able to fetch some money. But I've heard what you said. Let me do this last one.
Last one? After this one, you go.
Okay, I've heard you.
After this one, you go.
I will go.
Hey.
Rebecca, Nwakamwa, Irina Ofunwa, Agumwa, Ofunwa Kamwiri, Mwana Wamba Kamwoke, Iye Nwoke Neme, no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca, Nwakamwa, Irina Ofunwa, Agumwa, Ofunwa Kamwiri, Mwana Wamba Kamwoke, Iye Nwoke Neme, no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman. Uchegidia well, Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman. Uchegidia well.
Now let's go to the hospital now. Let's go to the hospital.
Have this money and buy the food stuff you told me about her. Please make sure you buy enough mangala fish for that soup. Rebecca, who is touching you?
My mother. She fell at the site where we are working. I've already taken her to the orthopedic hospital.
Which ones did she break? Hands or legs?
I don't know yet. They've not told me.
Okay. Take her to the hospital for treatment. Oh? I'm going to work now. When I come back, I come and see you people.
That is the problem.
Which problem?
I've already taken her to the hospital. But the hospital management said the money I deposited is not enough. That I should go and bring more.
These hospital people, what is wrong with them? When you bring somebody, even if that person is dying, they'll say deposit. Oh no, deposit. Sorry, I don't have money. Oh? But if you're lucky, I get money where I'm going to work now. When I come home, I branch. Oh? What is here now?
Don't tell me you're about abandoning your late brother's wife in the reported condition without helping.
Am I a physician? Eh? Okay, if you have money, lend to me.
Let me give them. Later I give you. Huh? I'm late. I'm late.
Ogini ka emere iji wee bụrụ nna anyị Ogini ka emere iji wee bụrụ nna anyị Ogini ka emere iji wee bụrụ nna anyị nwanne gị nwoke anara nwanyị ihe ruru anyị
Huh? This boy again. Emeka! Emeka! Oh boy, I know him. Oh boy, I know him. Emeka! 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 Who took my money? Who took the money I kept in my room?
Papa, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Emeka! Who took my money?
Papa, please. You see, I came from a very far distance.
Okay.
Please, okay. I have not taken your money. I don't even know what you're even talking about.
Let me tell you. My money here right now.
Papa, I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Can you imagine?
You don't know what? Emeka, tell me who took my money.
Papa, you're asking me. I say I don't know what you're talking about.
Go and bring that money now or something will happen.
I am even bantering words with you. Papa, please, shift. I need to leave.
Shift where? If you don't give me my money, don't step to anywhere now. Let me have my money. Let me have my money.
Papa, please. It's because of you. I don't want to insult you. I will say, before I open my eyes, just lost.
You have insulted me by stealing my money. Let me have it. Let me have it.
Papa, you know you're featherweight.
What featherweight?
In fact, you're breezeweight.
Huh? Are you giving me money?
Papa, leave.
Are you giving me my money? Are you giving me my money?
Papa, na me the beat.
Second one.
Head the tail.
Even third one.
Head the tail.
Yes. Ow. Ow. Ow.
John Cena. Because of God, I'm going to say idiot.
My own son beating me after stealing my money. Hey! Oh boy, I know Obiam. Oh boy, I know Obiam.
Say, we tried our best. But I'm sorry to say this. She sustained a severe spinal cord injury. And she may not be able to walk again. You can make arrangements to come and take her out by tomorrow.
na mada marife chigabo no wa echeteka omi fenya lotechio na mada marife chigabo no wa echeteka ewo echidime yo mada marife chigabo no wa echeteka ewo echidime.
Papa, why are you lying down here? You're not doing anything. Papa, what are you doing here? You're not doing anything, Papa. Papa, we have suffered. Is it that you're deaf that you can't hear our cry, Papa? Papa, are you blind? I'm asking you. Are you blind? Is it that you can't see our suffering, Papa? You're supposed to be a spirit. You're supposed to be seeing everything. Can't you see how we're suffering, Papa? Baba, you're wicked. Because I know that you're in heaven, eating all the good food, and you have forgotten your children that are suffering here. Baba, you're wicked. You must hear me today, Baba. I will remove you from this place if you don't do anything, Baba. Baba, get up! Get up!
What are you doing now?
Baba, get up!
It's okay.
Get up!
Stop now.
Baba, you think I will cry for you again?
Why?
I will not cry.
Why you do?
You are wicked! Papa is wicked!
Papa is not wicked! Stop!
He's supposed to be a spirit. He's supposed to be a spirit, seeing everything. But he's quiet. He's quiet because he's now enjoying. And he has forgotten us. Papa, you're wicked! Zawet, get up from that place, Papa! Get up! Papa, if you get angry, then let your spirit come out and do something.
It's okay, I will. If you continue acting like this, what do you expect of me and Mama? Stop.
Papa is wicked.
Stop. Papa is so wicked. It's
Ogini ka emere iji wee bụrụ nna anyị na Ogini ka emere iji wee bụrụ nna anyị na
Okay? Besides, God is not asleep. God is asleep. There is no way he will be awake and he's watching us suffer like this. There's no way. Where was he? Where was he when we lost Papa to that chronic illness? Where was he when Mama had the accident that kept her the way she is? Where was he? Where was he when Uncle Osondu took everything we had? Everything! And where is he now? If he is not asleep, then he should get up and save his people. He should redeem his name. Is it like he liked the way we're suffering or what? I don't understand it. I thought he said he's a merciful God. So what is he doing?
It's okay, sister. It's okay. Stop. Stop. Listen, God's ways are not the same with men. He does his own things at his own appointed time. Okay? He knows about us. Stop talking like this. It's okay.
I won't believe that.
I don't want Mama to see our face like this.
It's okay. I'm fine.
You have seen Mama's condition now. So she can't be helping out anymore. That is why I want to suggest something. I need you to stand by me now. Honestly, you know, I am one person that really wants you to go to school. But you have seen how things are. So, I think you should just stop school for now. Just for now. Oh? There's no money to pay your school fees. But I want you to stand by me. I want you to stand by me. Let us stand together and fight. Let us fight to survive. Let us fight to improve Mama's condition. And also prove to Uncle Osondu that even though we are women, we are not useless. We are not. So this is something we have to put heads together and do together. Let us fight because we are fighting for our future.
Sister, thank you. You're right. Very right. Sister, I want to especially thank you for your courage, your tenacity. You always inspire me to go, and I will go. Sister, your wish is my command.
It's okay. It might seem hard now. It might look like there's no way we will find something to do. It's a lie. Ashe. We will find something. And when we do, we will work tirelessly. We can't go about selling our bodies like all these women. A lot of girls say the reason they started prostituting is because of hardship. It will not be our case. That is why we will wear the spirit of men and work hard. We will work hard to create a future for ourselves. And if we will work hard.
Sister, your wish is my command.
Things might be hard now. But even in the face of all these problems, we will smile. Don't think otherwise. And if our future is bright, they will not break us. They won't.
No, when things are bad. If I'm Morocco, you know you're the only friend I have in this village. That is why I have come to you, because I know that you can help me. I need work. I need something to do. You know I hate lazying about or staying without doing something. And most of all, I need money. What I go? I came to you because I know that you can help me find work.
Your condition is so touching. I wish I have money to assist you. But you and I know that I don't have. Neither do I have any job to offer you. It's just this keke business I'm trying to manage. If not that you're a woman, I would have begged this my friend that just bought keke, looking for someone that will take it for a business on a daily returns. But as you can see, it's not a woman's job.
Cheru, says who? Keke? Hey! I can do it now. See, I can do anything to survive. I can do anything to survive. Or do you want me to go into prostitution?
No, God forbid.
I can do it now. Tell your friend that you have somebody that can do keke. See, I can even ride this keke more than some men, oh. Or have you forgotten that I used to ride that my father's motorcycle? That one that you bought now. Alright, Gole. I can do it. Biko, just help me. Talk to him. Oh?
Okay. I will try to convince him. Although it might be discouraged, knowing that I want to give it to a lady.
Rapifa, see. Offer call him. Just tell him. Say good things about me. Before you know it, you will have open mind. Please help me. You know I trust you. That's why I came to you. Don't disappoint me. You know, go. Don't disappoint me.
I'll try.
Okay. Well, let me start going. Look at the way for you.
Come, let me drop you off.
I'm bad. I'm a drop this. Don't worry.
Let me drop you.
Don't worry. I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay.
God forbid. My own daughter wants to get involved in a keke and pep business. Are you a man?
Mama, cool down, no. There's nothing there. It's not the same thing with that papa's motorcycle that I used to ride. It's the same thing now. Cool down.
What are people going to say? That's my own daughter. Izine's daughter is now a keke and pep rider. Hey, Rebecca,
Hello, Mama. You care what people say? You're nega hunting. Mama, let me tell you something. If you want to make it in this life, don't even mind people's opinion. As long as they have mouths, they will talk now. After all, it is their mouth. And they are free to say anything they want with it, as long as they don't come to touch you. The most important thing is that this business is lucrative. And there you go. We come out from it. Money will come out from it. What's my own? Mama, have I disappointed you before?
But Mom, you've never disappointed me.
Trust me.
Mama! Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Gee, were you robbed? Where are the fruits you left this house with? No.
I've finished selling them now. I even came back to pack more.
Sharp. Hey, baby. Oh, God, let me load more for you.
Hey, sister. Has Nwokoye convinced the keke owner?
He has talked to him. They have a choice, so they will agree.
Sister, it is very strange how a woman will be riding keke.
Oh, see this one. It is life that is strange. And the money that will come out of it will not be strange. Oh, okay, I know. Quiet. Mama, Joma, baby, I told you. See my new keke. Hey, Mama, if I never saw. Hey, Chineke,
What is happening here? Hey. Who owns this kekenapep? What are you doing with kekenapep?
What else do they do with kekenapep if not transportation?
No, I'm saying this because it's men who ride kekenapep, not women. You're a woman.
Okay, I am the man of this family. Do you have a problem with it?
Okay, let me just say congratulations. It's not easy. But I advise that you ride the keke, you don't spread your legs too much, because if you do, flies will penetrate and disrupt your movement, and cause go slow. And the traffic hold up and brothers and sisters. So ride on.
But how are you? Mama, I know.
Just like your Mama. Hey, Mama. You fair one. Mama. Chief, don't worry. I'll be taking you to school. Can I touch it? Buy your fruits. Buy your fruits. Fruits. Sister, do you want fruits? Okay.
How much are you selling?
Hey, what do you want? Is it mango?
Mango.
Okay.
Let me take two.
Okay.
Well, Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman, put your giddy well. nwa ka nwa iri na ofu nwa agụ nwa ofu nwa ka nwa iri nwa na-agba mbọ ka nwoke ihe nwoke na-eme nọ na-eme ya karịsịa rube ka nwa iri na ofu nwa agụ nwa ofu nwa ka nwa iri nwa na-agba mbọ ka nwoke ihe nwoke na-eme nọ na-eme ya karịsịa rube ka onye ike rube ịdị too much rube ka guy woman uche gị dị ya well rube ka onye ike rube ịdị too much rube ka guy woman uche gị dị ya well
You see, Ken, this is a genuine business, so you've got nothing to worry about. All you have to do is just pay the money to my account. Like we agreed.
I'm calling Sissy, you're my best business partner and associate. And above all, you are my best friend, so I trust you so much. So I'm in.
Well, you can say that again. So let's make a toast then. To a prosperous business relationship. Yeah. And to a wholesome friendship.
To us.
Yeah.
This is an undoubtedly awesome day.
Yeah, you're right. Especially to a bachelor like you. Yeah. The clock is ticking so rapidly. I gotta go home.
So are you trying to make me get jealous here?
Jealous? Ken, you don't understand this whole thing. You don't know how it looks like being with your wife and your kids after a whole stressful day. Okay?
I sure do.
You don't, okay? Because if you truly do, you will be running home to meet Mama.
Yes, trust me, Ken. Trust me, Collins, I do.
You do?
I do.
Sure.
Yeah, Collins, I truly do. Do you know how ladies flock around me like bees to a honeycomb? But you see, none of them have genuine intention. They're all gold diggers. Gold diggers, that is what they are. Collins, do you know how many relationships I've been into in the past that's crashed like a splattered glass? Come on. You will know. Just to intrigue you a little, a lot of people have different opinions about my overdue bachelorhood. But Collins, this is the true story.
tasty one?
No, that's very small. I think I prefer this red. Do you know why? Because red goes a lot with golden and it makes the color very fine. Yes.
Oh, ladies.
Good morning, my child. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Ken.
Yeah, good morning, Olivia. Olivia, how was your night?
It was fine and just...
Oh, your friend here made it a remarkable night for me. So, girls, I have to get going to work, yeah? I'll see you girls, yeah? Alright.
Baby, try have your breakfast in the eatery before engaging yourself in your little business affairs.
Yeah, sure, I will. But don't you think taking a cup of coffee at home will be most exceptional?
I'm sorry, I was too tired. We do tomorrow.
Alright, darling. Okay. You like?
Pretty good for me. It's not quite expensive, like 200,000 naira.
Don't you think this is too expensive for a restaurant?
No, baby, it's in vogue. It's the latest wristwatch for ladies. Please, I can't wait to have it.
Maybe you like it. Alright then. What you have to do is just snap it and send it to my BlackBerry, yeah?
Alright.
I'm jealous here, so nothing for me.
I will save you. Well, Labraja, nothing for you. If you want some goodies, go get your own baby.
Don't worry, okay? Olivia, I'm going to get you something you will love, alright?
Thank you.
Something surprising. I'll get it for you, yeah? Now, all you need to do for me is just to take good care of her. You know you are the true bridesmaid of the day.
Yeah.
Alright, darling. I trust you. And you? Take good care of her. I trust you. Yeah. Yeah, right.
I made you a coward. I charmed you and locked you in a bottle so that I can deceive you and steal your money. Fool! Fool!
Are you hungry, sweet? I'm sorry, darling. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry,
You're true. Okay, let me just change up into something so I'll drop you at the airport, yeah?
Oh, don't worry. I've already called a cab. I don't want to put you in a straight of dropping me at the airport, coming back to dress for the office.
Okay.
Moreover, the cabman is already here.
Okay. It's okay. Let me just... I'm coming now. Here is 200,000 naira. Okay, use it for you.
200,000 naira. Baby, it's not enough. Remember I told you, I need to buy some things for my parents and myself.
So how much are we talking about here?
At least, can manage 500,000.
Okay, you know what you do? You use the 200,000 naira for your flight ticket and other expenses, okay? I'm going to send the other one into your account before you know it. Okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I will miss you so much.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you. Alright, I'll miss you too. Send me hi to your mom and dad, yeah? Alright.
Make sure you come back on time.
I promise you that I will be back very soon.
And buy me something when coming back.
Yeah, you always tell them to buy things. Come on, take her away. Alright, darling. Everything is excellent. We shall proceed with the deal. Mr. Polaji, I have been in this business long enough for all my papers to be excellent. Okay? So, well, no doubt about it. Evidence is written in crystal. Mr. Kenneth, I hope everything is alright. Mr. Kenneth, I hope everything is alright. Hello.
I just arrived now. I'm home with my parents.
You're home with your parents?
Yeah, I'm very busy with that. I'll talk to you.
I can see how busy you are with that.
Okay.
See, that's how Eva became history. And then comes charming Miss Mystery, Queen. So you see, it was the most shocking experience I had. I thank God. I thank God for rescuing me from the bondage of darkness. And then to the next page of my experience with women comes Brenda.
You see, Ken, I am really thinking about this problem of yours. Taking the concern seriously. But that this friend of mine that I ran into actually gave me a suggestion.
What's the suggestion?
Well, he asked me to go into a particular village in Anambra State, the name called Nehemiah, on a former day, that I will see a woman. Though he told me that women are good, which my wife is a living testimony.
I don't understand you. So you expect me to drive down to a village in search of a nobody?
No, you're not driving, okay? Just all you have to do is just disguise yourself, okay? Look like a pauper. Because if you have nothing, okay? I believe any woman who sees you in that state is definitely your wife.
No, I'm not calling to you. Don't expect me to buy this idea. Please. You expect me to drive down to that village that I know nobody? Huh? In search of a woman, of a wife. Okay, now let's take it that I get married to that woman and that woman turns out to become the devil in my own house.
I'm surprised at times, okay? It looks as if you don't have faith. You don't believe in God. Okay? When you believe in God, I believe everything is gonna be fine.
My friend, you know I believe in God, but I don't need to buy this cheap
But
thing.
the way you act tells me that you don't believe in God. You don't believe in God.
Colin, see, I'm sick and tired of this whole thing. You don't expect me to just drive you to a village in search of a woman that I don't know.
You just have to calm down. Just try it. It's gonna work. I promise.
Not for me, definitely not for me. How possible is it? Just to walk into a strange town wandering in search of nobody? No, I can't. But Collins cannot deceive me. God, please help me. Help me in this.
Things are so expensive in the market. Very expensive. If you see how much they sell ordinary breadfruit. Hey, oh galano. Very expensive. Sister, I think it's the season. I go this season. You bought all these? Hey, that means that this keke business is a lucrative one. What's if you Mama, we are trying, but it's not easy. It is not easy at all. Mama, there is no manner of human being you will not carry as passenger. Do you know that sometimes I'm a mere trouser. Where just to collect my money.
Hey, Biko, no. If any of your passengers refuses to pay, I don't want them to kill you for me because I am begging you in the name of God.
Okay, Mama, I did not start work. I went there to make money. Oh, see, don't worry yourself. Just cool down. Mama, your daughter is very strong. Let's see. Anyhow they want it.
Hey!
You have no hatcher. As long as I collect my money. Mama, oh, nobody bought that keke from you. I have to account for the money. You. Once I make enough money, I'll send you back to school. How we feel, baby? Thank you. Mama, did you hear that?
Keka mesi kene. Eh? Mmadili no fu. Mmadili no fu nwanyi.
Mama. Elugo mi ili na abuo.
Ili na abuo ige kopo. God bless you. May you reward your effort. Siele no mo kwa afu, wa bi si oboro ka afu we mezie nya. O tegwe. How?
My wealth could actually be behind my falling into the wrong kind of women. Maybe I should give this suggestion a thought, especially this disguise thing. But it's so odd, too odd. Well, it's only a try, like they say. There's no harm in trying. Just a try. Father, please, I want you to pray for me as I embark on this mission. I know it sounds weird, but I am willing to do anything whatsoever to find my missing Ruth this time.
If you believe in God and have faith in Him, He will do it for you. I had the revelation when I was praying. The Lord told me that your wife will be the one to protect you, not the other way around.
I don't understand. How possible is that? How can a woman approach a man? Definitely not in this era. It's not possible. It sounds weird.
I just told you the revelation of God. You must go into 5 days fasting before I'm working on this journey.
I will fast and pray.
Shall be well with you and okay. Let us pray.
Well, Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman, put your giddy well. Well, Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman,
Come. See executive. This one is executive keke.
Bros.
Now look at this.
I go out for market. I know there now, you know.
Now lie. I know where. In fact, now the back of my house with that. I know like the back of... Come, now I carry you go.
Just calm down, man. Follow her.
I know where. Come. See, does fully your own self. Come, What can't you see is my passenger already? When that one happen, no be now on the brush show. I be now your brother be that. See, matter you. No brother for jungle, you dey hear me so just cool down there. Mind yourself, oh.
Bros, calm down. Calm down now. She's a woman. Huh? The black said that she even now for market pass yourself.
You will see.
My dear.
Bros, I'm going to report you to the union chairman. It's too much for you in this park. Wrong, go tell him. In fact, I go give you money, may you take transport. What are you talking? Come, may I carry you for my keke, may you go tell him. Nonsense. You don't know say man must survive. Man must survive now.
Let's go, please.
You don't know say man must survive, Adi.
You're very funny,
Ross, no mind that Ross, oh. Now foolish man. You know no say no brother for jungle. See, if you don't shine your eye for here, they don't shine out for you, sharp. You don't see me, Nabi? You don't say they right out for here. Man must survive.
Yes, I've seen it. Man must survive.
You know that, man must survive now. Ross, don't worry. I go sleep you well. They look now. Which kind of people be this then? Come on here. See eye. They shine eye like thief.
So Ken, how's the trip?
No success yet. You know, though I saw some beautiful girls in the village, but none seems to be, appealing to me. But I believe perhaps my next trip will be better.
Oh, did I hear you say no success? Did you disguise yourself the way I told you?
Sure, I did.
Well, you must agree with me that there's nothing good that comes easy.
Collins, I'm aware of that. Okay? I'm aware of it.
So, I wish you good luck.
It's because we're trying to abuse me and that's why you want to keep up.
He's alive.
I'm telling you.
That's a...
But believe me, I'm going to get the best one. No.
Emeka, what is it again? How many times do I have to warn you in this village? You should stop bothering me. Stop bothering me, Emeka. I am not interested. Ho-ha.
Ho-ha what? How?
Let today be the first and last day you will ever stop me walking on this road again. Any day you try it again, I will not only report you to your father, but the elders in council.
I've told you I want to... Bless you.
Emeka, leave me alone. If you touch me again, I will shout. Leave me. I'm not interested. Leave me alone.
This one, are you not shouting or are you whistling? If you say the whistle.
Emeka, do you think I'm all these girls you go up and down in the village sleeping with? I am not, Emeka. I am not.
I don't want to sleep with you. I want to stand with you. And
Emeka, let me warn you. Today should be the first and the last day you will ever stop me. If not, Emeka, go and get useful to your father. Go and get useful to your parents.
Are you talking to me like that? You will see.
See what? I will see nothing. Why am I even here wasting my time? My precious time on useless boy like you. You're mad.
If not for all these your assets, fixed assets, I will slap you. Oh boy. No, beside the laughing.
What's funny now?
No, beside. You say, you say that girl is a loud mouth. You understand? No.
I mean, my dad.
No, to make your face there like this. Nah, what's up here now?
I have never seen such a woman in my life. Everything about her is unique. She's no doubt intelligent, hardworking too. Just the kind of woman I want. The kind of woman I truly want.
Rebecca Nwakamwa, Irina Ofunwa Agumwa, Ofunwa Kamwiri, Mwana Wamba Kamwoke, Iye Nwoke Neme no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca Nwakamwa, Irina Ofunwa Agumwa, Ofunwa Kamwiri, Mwana Wamba Kamwoke, Iye Nwoke Neme no Neme ya Karisia.
Kaka woman. Alpha.
Bros. Alpha now, where you go?
Don't you recognize me?
Bros, no best. You know say I dey see plenty people for here every day.
I'm that man, that your customer. That man that came that day that told you that wanted to go to Afro Market. That you and one of your colleagues, he packed here and you people were dragging who's keke will end.
Atoma! I throw away salute. I don't know say na you or no best. I bet where you dey go?
That same place. That same place.
Enter now, make we just dey go sharp sharp.
Oh yeah.
Rebecca Nwakamwa, Irina Ofunwa Agumwa, Ofunwa Kamwiri, Mwana Wamba Kamwoke, Iye Nwoke Neme no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca Nwakamwa, Irina Ofunwa Agumwa, Ofunwa Kamwiri, Mwana Wamba Kamwoke, Iye Nwoke Neme no Neme ya Karisia. Rebecca Onyike, Rube, it is too much. Rebecca, guy woman. Uchegidia well, Rebecca, Onyike, Rube, it is too much, Rebecca, guy woman, Uchegidia well.
Could she be the one in the Reverend Father's revelation? Could she be?
Right? There are much more better girls at Amioma. Just search further. Okay?
Collins. Well, she's not just an ordinary keke rider. She told me her story. A pathetic one. And that's why she had to go into that line of business.
Well, be it as it may, I'm much more concerned about this. She is definitely the wrong choice. She cannot be the right woman. Yes, you just have to look further.
Sure, I will. I will definitely.
Alright. Oh, cheers.
Hello.
Boss, right down.
Yeah.
Where you go?
For market.
Ah, boss, now you?
Ah, yes.
Now you be that person when you change for me the other day.
Yes.
Hi, welcome.
So just finish up now. Let's start going.
I go finish now. Bro, bros, you see that money when you leave for me that day? The money they me like manna from heaven. I even tell my mama and my sister. They happy well. They happy well, I swear. Sweet and well.
So where are they?
Their house.
Where is your house?
It's not far from here. Why you they ask?
Because I want us to go there.
Why?
You see, after you, I mean no harm. After you told me, your story, I felt something for you and your family, and I would like to meet your mother and your sister. Not for anything, just to meet them.
I don't think it's necessary.
I just want to be a friend to the family, not just to you alone, but to your entire family.
What of the place you say you're going?
Of course, that one can wait. It will wait. Huh?
Ha! I don't think it's necessary, but if you insist.
I insist. I want to meet them, I insist.
I may go. Madam, no thanks. I go bring your bottle back, yeah?
You need to struggle. Study hard.
Mama?
Hey, Becca. Good afternoon.
Sister, welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good day, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Mama, this is Kenneth. The guy I told you left his change for me.
Wow! Mamo! Ogi! Thank you so much. Hey! I wanted to call you and thank you personally, but you did not leave any contact address. Mamo, Dalo, may God bless you.
Bless you too.
That money came in very handy.
Hi.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mention. Welcome, sir.
Young man. Okay. You the man who came around?
His name is Kenneth, he's my friend. And Kenneth meets my uncle also.
Good day. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to like my colleague, Rebecca. What do you do for a living?
I'm a welder, sir. A welder.
Okay, welder?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You are free to marry my niece, eh?
Osondu, Ogini, did he tell you he wants to marry Rebecca?
He doesn't need to say it. It's written all over him. Take a look at it. It's full of smiles. Go ahead. I'm in support of what you want to do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
sir. Let me go and see a friend there.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. A welder.
Don't mind my uncle. Sometimes it's just like that.
Is it that your uncle you told me about?
Yes, that's it.
The man is a nice man.
Let your man go and get them seats.
Thank you.
Bobo Nkiti.
Mama.
Are you telling me that it is only mango you will take in my house?
Yes, Baba. When I come next time, we'll eat any food that you have. But I'm enjoying this one now.
You promise you will come again?
Man, no problem. You know, I just came to visit people briefly. And when I come again, I will eat something. I have to get going now. I have an appointment to catch.
Want to leave now? Well,
yes, Mama.
Okay. Come next time.
Mama will come.
We'll be waiting for you.
Choma, prepare the soup things, eh? I'll cook when I come back from work.
Bobo Nkiti.
Ma.
Bye-bye. You can't trust me. Oh, give me cooking.
Mama, you don't enjoy it.
Bobo Nkiti, bye-bye, yo. No, PJ. Hey.
You're the woman of my dreams. Please, marry me. Just say yes, please, Rebecca.
I've actually thought about it.
So?
Look at me. Hey, Mama. So, after everything now, he proposed to me.
He proposed to you? Such a strange guy. Strange indeed. He was sick in a what did you tell her?
Mommy, police. See now. It is a
Let me ask you a serious question. If we are married, do you love him?
Mama, if I don't love him, there's no way I will say yes to him. I love him. I follow me. Hey, Mama.
Even though we've met him only once, but I think that man is a good man. You know, there's certain things an old man would see under the palm tree that a young child on top will not see. If I get him, not that meaning him of him. He has a good heart, and I know he will take care of you. What was it again? He said, welder. He said he's a welder. Is that why he wears his
Congratulations, future.
Mrs. Bobo Ikete.
That is not Bobo Ikete.
I hope it's not that kind of trouser you wear your wedding day.
No. If you change it, I'll change it.
Oh, but thank you, Lord. And when you get in there, you have to be a woman, not this your boka.
Tell her.
Actually, for your word, who you see? Thank you. I make us sit down and man caught. I know you.
Why can't you just stop disturbing me? I just can't stop.
What's the excitement all about?
Lillian, I'm excited, but you're welcome. Come. Have a seat. Just sit down, okay? Sit down, yeah.
Let the cat out of the bag. What's happening?
Woo! Lillian. I have a bride now.
You did what?
I have a bride now.
Wow! Where is she from? Who is she? What's her name? God.
Just calm down. One question at a time.
Okay.
Okay. Very soon. Very soon you're going to meet her.
This calls for celebration.
Not until you meet her.
No, that's not fair.
No, it is. No, she's a bride, you know. So until you meet her, then when we're together, we can now do the celebration. But for now, I need to eat and thank God you're around, so inside.
Yeah. Finally.
Yeah, finally. I'm sorry. Yeah.
I'm happy you're happy. Finally.
Yeah. All right.
Wow.
Oh, it can't. You can't be serious. You mean you already proposed?
Yeah, I did. And it's a yes. She said yes to it. Colette, I'll say a very big thank you to you. I'll say a very big thanks to you. The advice you gave me saved me from the cloud of sorrows and nightmares. Thank you very much, my good friend.
This is strange indeed. A KK writer. Well, if that's where your heart lies, then I wish you good luck, bro. I wish you good luck.
Well, yeah. No. You see, later in the day we'll have to meet at the club.
Yeah, you know, love they say is strange. Okay. So let's just make a toast, bro. When you started, that was a toast. Toast, bro, for a newfound wife.
Yeah.
Bro, I have to run along. I have an appointment to catch. Okay. Very important.
Colin. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
You're a true friend, you know?
What our friend is.
Yes, that useless boy. Yes, that useless boy. Where is he? I said, come out!
Papa Dako, why are you trying to steal down the roof of my house? What is it? What is it?
Osondo, where is that your stupid boy? Emeka,
what has my son done for you to abuse him?
That your useless boy. Emeka has impregnated my daughter, Adam.
Point of correction. It was your daughter who was following my son as in the case of flies over rotten meat. I warned you. You didn't. I warned you to stop following my son. Look at the result of your huge sexual appetite now. See where he has landed you.
So is this all he can say?
What else do you want me to say except the truth?
Papa, what is going on?
What else?
What is going on? See him, Emeka. See, you got Emeka. So he has succeeded in following the language of my daughter in this village. What have I done to your daughter? How? I don't understand what you're talking about. You don't understand what I'm saying. How? Ada, don't flash me touch light. Did Adako? Have I touched you? Talk now. Have I touched you before?
Don't deny it. Have you forgotten?
Forgotten what? Do I have memory loss? Look at Why see me see trouble? Araku, there are plenty. Don't call me inside there.
My son is even innocent and you are here accusing him.
Papa, thank you very much. God will bless you. Thank you so seriously. As if me, I don't know. Is it not he getting at the one tapa that is her boyfriend every time she...
I'm surprised at you and their son. But no matter the mischief you people are up to, Emeka must marry a tag. Pure.
It's a lie.
Tie. Like father, like son.
Like father, like daughter. Take home your daughter, she's too sexy. Take her home.
Don't flash me any torchlight. Are you vigilante? Huh? What is the meaning of this?
I'm living here with you. Do the wish whatever you want to do with the pregnancy.
Don't leave your daughter. Abarako, come and take your daughter.
And you stupid here. Me take her.
I'm with my pregnancy. This belly way is not be pregnancy.
Hey, follow your father. Go home with your father.
Shifting of responsibility.
Take her with you. See,
move. Follow your father. Move. Can you imagine? When you were winding the waist and it was hot, you don't know the...
Shut up your mouth. You are stupid.
I was trying to help you in my mind.
Don't help me. Don't come here and talk rubbish. Just look at that girl. If you are forced to marry her, will you be happy?
Papa, marriage is not by force. Serious.
Go in there. Before I give you back time.
Papa, you want to give me?
I will get.
That was before. I get them before, not the property.
What have I done to deserve this misfortune? Emeka, my only son, is bent on becoming a nuisance to the entire Anema town. Look at my late brother's children, only girls, without a father, yet they prove to be responsible and hardworking. In spite of all my effort to frustrate them, they remain ever strong and focused. God, what have I done? What sin did I commit? Please help me. Oboye anobiam. Oboye anobiam.
I'm so delighted to hear that. So what's next?
Both of us met yesterday and we have agreed on a date to go and see her people.
And when is that date?
28th of this month.
Beautiful. That is good. Be rest assured that I am with you all the way. Once more, congratulations.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wonder shall never end. Look at Rebecca coming to inform me she wants to marry that young man, a welder. Ndị na-agbaji oshi igwe. Ndị na-agbaji igwe wee gbaa ya ọkụ. Ụbịam chọrọ ịnụ ogbenye ọnụ ntụ. What a perfect match. Good for me. Let them marry so that loud-mouthed Rebecca can get out of my way. Ogbenye anụ ụbịam. Ogbenye anụ ụbịam.
That Igwe
He's the one now. Hey, what will be the thing that will bring Igwe in this kingdom? I know it must be a feast.
What could a dynamic
Simoto
king be this?
Hey, see, let me tell you. As Igwe have decided to come, I know that he's here to visit our own Igwe. He can never come for riffraff like me and you.
You mean say na big feast in palace?
Big feast, I'm telling you. Never. He can never even he can't even notice the place. What is this?
You're welcome. Welcome, everybody. Where is the king of Umwalo? Are you in my compound? Were you not the welder? You're not the prince? Is he the prince?
Your household is greatly favored, my dear.
Indeed, your majesty. Okay, please be seated. Be seated. Everybody, come and sit down. Come. There are seats. Come over here.
Like I said, he is not my son, but someone more dear to me than a son. He is actually the heartbeat of Umwalo. That's why I accompanied him to this mission.
Thank you, my highness. And good people of Anyoma, my anticipated future in-laws, I greet you all. I have a confession to make. The first time I visited this household, I told you I was a welder. It was all lies. My good friend here brought this perfect but strange idea.
You can keep person.
He advised me to come to this village in search of a wife because he found his own wife in the same village. And he said there are more beautiful and nice girls in this village that I can make my wife. So he advised me to disguise myself and come here, which I did. And I met my heartthrob, Rebecca, and fell in love with her from the first time I chartered her keke for this mission. My elders, I'm here to apologize for all these lies. Please forgive me. Please.
Bobo Nkete. Bobo Choko.
My son is spoken well, but you don't need to apologize. As for the lie you told now that we were gathered here on this wonderful location, and we are honored. By the way, we are honored now to have you as our son-in-law.
Thank you, sir.
My bros. See, as you know, one has gone. When you go to that your compound or your family, bring another welder that is disguised welder for this other one. We like welders.
Anyoma kwenu?
Yeah.
Anyoma mwono?
Yes.
Anyoma zono?
Yeah.
Anyoma kwezuono? Yeah. Thank you very much, elders of Anyoma. Now that we have sorted ourselves out, shall we commence the introduction process?
Of course, yes.
No be pain.
Good for her. That's absolutely right. She will never insult a man in her entire life. Because I'm sure that the stigma of this rape won't leave her memory in a hurry. Come, tell me. How do you think? How you take it?
I tell my player. God, that gets sweet.
Just the man made it. Freeze! Freeze! If you move, I will blow your brains. Young men, your game is up. You're under arrest for trading and using of hard drugs. Now move! Sergeant! Sir! Move them. Udoka and Emeka, they were arrested by the police.
Udoka and Emeka arrested? Yes. Oh boy, I know none of them. Why?
They were caught smoking in their home.
Hey! Oh boy, I know of them. Where are they now?
At the Central Police Station. I'm going.
What have I done to deserve this? What have I done? Eh? Hey!
Osandro, where is that your son?
What has he done again?
He's needed at the police station.
Please, what for?
He's wanted for rape.
Rape? Yes. Oh boy, no biam. Eh? So he's not in the house. He's not here. What do I do? What do I do? A while ago, somebody came and made a report that he's not here. Eh? Oh boy, I know biam.
Auntie, I'm sure this one will look good on you.
Are you sure?
Trust my sense of fashion.
Hi! Hey! I like this one. Ooh, see this one.
I was thinking I should get a limousine or this latest H3, the home of our traditional marriage on white. What do you think?
Baby, I don't want a limo or a Hummer.
Okay, what do you want? If you want to get a Rolls Royce or... Okay, better. My friend has a Phantom, the latest 2012, you know? I'll ask him to get it for us.
No, I don't want.
So what do you want?
I want a cake. Keke? As in, keke na pep? Yes, keke na pep. That's what I want.
Keke. Sweetheart, come on. You know the caliber of people that are going to come for both our white and traditional marriage. So why a keke?
Baby, I know. I know who you are. See. Meeting you was the best thing that's ever happened to me. You gave me life when I thought I was going to die. And you gave me hope when I was hopeless. And everything started inside the keke. So now, are we going to consider what people will say or respect the poor keke that brought us together and made us bond this way? Please. Please, I want keke. Keke, baby, I want keke, please.
You're unique. You're so special. You're different from the rest. You're one in a million. Your high emotion and psychological sensitivity cannot stop amazing me. If that will make you happy, then so be it.
It's a yes then?
Absolutely.
Yes! 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 Oh, thank you! I love you, I love you.
It's okay. It's alright.
I have to one request.
I'm all ears. What is it again?
Okay, there's this song that I want us to play and dance to on our wedding day. Don't worry, let me get it for you.
I can't get it.
Where is she?
Ah, you like her, yeah?
Like her? I love her.
I know you will.
See? Let me put it for you.
I know you know good music. I know.
Hey!
It's been some days now that it was reported that our son was arrested by the police. Yet you're not doing anything about it.
Thank God he said he is our son, which means he is equally your son. If there's anything better for you to do than what I've done, you do it. As for me, I have not only disowned him, but I forgot my subconscious violence this year. Anyway, that boy took after your bad blood. I drop anyway. So stop disturbing me about him.
Is it not your blood that he took after? Or are you not the one that is always condoning him whenever he does something wrong? Now you are looking for Ozioma to blame. 9. Go and get my son out of the police station, or get my son out of that police station.
If you ask me, I will say, leave that boy in that cell. If he stays in that police cell, he will calm down. You see, so stop disturbing me about that boy. Oh?
Now all I want is my son. All I want is my son. I want my son.
Otherwise, what happens?
I want my son. Otherwise, there will be no food for you again in this house.
Let me tell you, do whatever you can about that boy. Otherwise, he will graduate from being a rapist to an armed robber. He will continue to go higher until he beats the record of the Rimwa Mama. Oh, whatever you want to do, do it. Ball is in your court, not me.
Now, is this what you have to say?
Yes.
So this is all you want to say?
Exactly.
Okay. In fact, there will be no food for you again in this house until my son is released.
Try it, I will tell you, you have started World War and be ready to fight the world.
Now, I want my son. I want my son. Go and get my son out. No food in this house again. No food for you.
In my own house. My own house. Try it. I send it back to your father's house.
Daddy's brother.
Okay.
We have many of them. Okay. As you can see, this is the fish we have. That fish, okay. This is pocket one. Okay.
Let's just grab first.
This is also babies. Yeah, that is right. This is. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You have many of them.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. That's all.
No, I don't like it. Maybe you should do it.
Go away. I like it.
What a world. So Rebecca has finally got married to a rich man while my own son is in police custody. What have I done? What a cruel fate. Could it be that God is punishing me for being wicked to his and our daughters? Oh boy. Oh, I am full of regret.
Now I know you're angry. You thought your late brother's children would not succeed in life. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen where Rebecca is today while our own son is in the police station? You frustrated them. When I was warning you to leave the innocent alone, what did you do? You refused. Now you see who laughs last. Evil begets evil.
Get out of my sight, woman! Get out!
Oh yeah, the truth is bitter. You better go and get my son out of that police station, oh. You better go and get my son out. Wicked man, evil man.
Ogbenye anụ ụbịam. Ogbenye anụ ụbịam.
Oh, my in-law. You're now the father of this family. Rebecca here is your daughter. I have come to see you concerning the traditional marriage. I want you to make sure that everything goes well successfully. So, This is 200,000 naira. Yes. I want you to use 100,000 naira for the preparations. Maybe your elders, friends, or any other thing. Then the other 100,000 naira, use it for yourself. Whatever you need for the traditional marriage, you can get it from there. If you need more, you can still tell.
Your husband gave me all this money? No. You don't deserve it. I don't deserve this. Look at all I did to all of you. No. Please. Forgive me. Look at what I did to you, your mother, and your sister. I feel guilty.
So, get up.
I'm guilty.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Uncle.
Forgive me.
It's okay, that's okay.
May God bless you.
Today is a good day. Yes. So, Mama Emeka, I have not seen Emeka since I came.
He's in police custody.
What for?
The police caught him with Indian hemp. And they also charged him for a rape case.
My in-law, let's go. Which police station did they take him to?
Central Police Station.
Central Police Station, yeah.
Okay, you know what? Let's go there now. Let's go there right away. Yes, let's see if we can bail him out.
Hello. Thank you very much.
My in-law, go and check.
Move, we don't have time. Move.
Papa, beat me, do everything where you want to do me, you deserve it. For you to even get the good mind to say, make you come bear me, come on for this place. Now only God, where they up, now go bless you.
Don't thank you. See the person your brother-in-law. He bailed you.
I talk him. My mind tell me say, no be you come bear me. I talk him. You not get any single good mind to come bear me. Na my in-law. Na I come. Na no say I no get papa. Hey!
Emeka, it's okay.
Get out again, I slap you.
Na where I no say I no get papa.
Shut up your mouth.
My papa don't die.
Don't wait. Don't die. And I came here.
Hey, bros. God, God, where's his every good person? He go bless him according to his riches. Go bless you.
It's okay, okay? Just promise me that you won't get yourself into more troubles, and that you stop smoking this Indian hemp.
This one? He choose Indian hemp like you choose you. This one? Hey.
Papa, you go down, no? Yeah? Bros, I don't resolve within my heart. Indian hemp, are they grace?
Oh boy, I know of them.
India, anything around India, na film, na Indian film. I know if you do Indian hemp again. You know the kind of punishment where I pass through for inside this I dey stay, everybody they sleep. My eye they open and they find president. What you carry my eyes in for this I know if you explain them. I know if you do again, I don't repent. Thank you.
Let's take you by your word. Let's take you by your word. Do it again. You come here again. Bye bye forever. Bye bye forever.
That's a big pure water.
Huh?
Not.
Only God knows what Becca is doing at this moment.
Mama,
I miss her.
Not only you, I miss her too.
It's because she's not here that you're making that soup. Mane Ezioku, you don't like working. No housework, no kind of work.
Mama, please, I'm trying my best. Will I kill myself for you people? I'm trying.
Please, forgive me for all I did to you and your daughter. Please. I don't know what came over me. I don't know.
I should forgive you.
Please.
After all you did.
Biko.
Why? For all that you did to my children and I? Emeka. Osondo, Emeka. Your late brother would be ashamed of you, wherever he is. How can I forgive you? Oh, wait. You're asking for forgiveness now because my daughter is getting married to a rich man?
No. My plea is coming from my innermost heart. I want us to go back to the peace of old, to the oneness that was there when my late brother was still alive. Because, Chioma, help in forgiving me. Because,
my fellow woman, please forgive him. Biko, Wadalo.
Chioma, dear Becca. I know. Who am I not to forgive? Well, if the repentance is truly from his heart, and is genuine,
it's from my innermost heart. Thank you. Chioma, I thank all of you. Because, do I come and help you to cook? I can cook,
No. Nwokoye,
Chioma, let me help you to cook. I know how to cook.
But it's okay. It's okay.
The pepper I put won't be too much.
But now you know, it's your mistake or did too much.
You're cooking. It's okay.
It's okay.
Sikwa of my is one. Like, Mama Rebecca, darling.
Rebecca, you amused me. I mean, you peacefully returned this keke when you met your husband. And I heard that your husband is that Nwachine Mereze, one of Omalo. The richest and the famous one in Omalo. Then, for heaven's name, tell me what you are still doing with my keke when I am sure that you can afford to buy even a dozen.
The reason is best known to me. All I want you to do is just allow me to rent the keke. Please, I need it. See, I can give you 50,000 if you want.
Rebecca, I don't think I need your money. I mean, this keke is still yours. Whenever you wish to use it, I mean, you want to carry it, come and take it. All I need from you is to use it when you are done with it. For me. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So please, can you give me the keys to the keke now?
Yes, I'll do just that. Just give me a minute.
Thank you.
Rebecca. That's it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you
Take
so
care
much.
of yourself, huh?
Bum.
motor on top. Now, I think you go carry me. The same line. You don't carry me. Multi-millionaire wait in a keke.
No be lie.
Na him. Now she be this.
Na him.
Hey. Come. Now this bros make we meet and they drag that day now.
That day I meet now for road.
Now this bros be this. Why I tell God report am for union chairman?
Nah.
So this bros get money